Hey up! Today's video is on a question I get all the time, and when I made that silver and bronze sea urchin, how did I make this blue wax mold? So I scored another one of these. This is 3 inches, 80 millimeters. So I'm gonna repair one of these knuckles and then fill this with putty, and then I'm gonna build a box and pour silicone on it, and then hopefully I can make a wax mold of it. Anyway, on with the project. Okay, finished the box. Looks like crap, but I think I've sealed all the sides. I'm gonna do a water test and see if it leaks. Yep, I've sprung a leak on this edge down here. Okay. So I can kind of see a hole here, there. You know what's easier? Just to put a line in through there. So just gluing the base on, and then I'm gonna stick it in the box. Okay, so I've got the sea urchin glued in here. I'm now gonna mix up some silicone rubber. It was some cheap stuff I bought online. Anyway, I'm gonna mix up equal parts. I've got a scale to weigh it out, and I'm gonna pour it in. It's 200 grams of the A and 200 grams of the B. Okay. I'm thoroughly mixing this now. We pour it into a second cup. Okay, so I like to pour it into a corner. Okay, so I've got that done. It's just bubbling off. Once it's set, we'll open it up. still sticky. This did not dry. Okay, so I've got the block out. There's a little insert dot here, so I'm going to cut this way. I probably should have sealed the sea urchin with like some sort of glaze. It has these microfiber holes and it's stuck inside, but I think I can still get it out. So I got the shell out. I'm going to clean this up a little bit and then throw some wax in it and see what it looks like. Okay, so I've got the mold ready. I've got this as a cap because I've got to spin this, and the wax is melting. I'm guessing this third cup of wax in here and then rotate it will curl it well enough. So it's just a guessing game. I've got a couple of cups down there, so we'll see which one works. And I've got this for the remaining wax. Okay, so I've got this melted. I'm going to try the scoop first. Okay, so that's a full scoop. Now I just got to rotate this around. Okay, so we've got this. We'll open it up. Oh, it failed. It's not very thin. Well, it's thick in some places, but I think it's too cold. No, it's still warm, so it never cooled down properly. I'll try this again. Okay, so this is try 2 with this, half a cup. Okay, so let's see how this one turned out. Okay, so I got the pour. A lot of air bubbles. I think it's my technique. Okay, so I cast a few of these. I cut this one in half. This was with a half cup of wax, way too thick. This one's with a third cup, and it's actually not too bad. So I started using a third cup. This is my last one I did, and I'm happy with that. Some of these other ones, the mold didn't close up. So those are just going to be playing with, but this one here, I'm going to have a go at casting in bronze. Anyway, so I hope that explains how I was able to make those wax molds of the sea urchin. It's quite a process. And then there's another long process in casting it into bronze. And that'll be on the next, well, not the next video. That'll be on another video. Anyway, thanks for watching.